Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I'm gonna try to fix up this little pocket knife right here. It's got a bad tip. Needs to be cleaned up. It's missing the wrapping here. There would be a colored wrapping. That's peeled off. I have some over here. See where it's like a wrap that goes around the edge there and tucks in the back. See if you can see that kind of tucks in behind it, and this whole piece right here would come off. This one here, all that wrapping's off. You can see how it's coming off on this one, and this one here it's just like starting to chip away. But I think what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to try to just clean it up, and I'll probably just paint this some color and see what I can do with it. Let's see here. Let's see if we can look how dirty it is in here. Not too bad. Anyway, guess I better get to work. Oh, let's look at the tangs here. We got our Imperial there, Imperial tang, and then we got a patent number. Okay, I'm gonna get to work.